Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to gain a lot of fame in The Sims 4. Fame works best when your sim is seen in public and creates content that reaches many other sims. Start with careers that put your sim in the spotlight. Acting is one of the fastest paths because every gig raises fame. Music and comedy also work well. Performing for crowds in public spaces gives steady fame points. If you prefer nightlife, become a DJ at clubs. These shows draw attention and boost your celebrity level quickly. Streaming and media creation are another strong option. Use the streaming drone to broadcast your daily life or hobbies. Your sim can also record videos or post photos to Simstagram. The more your content is shared, the faster your fame grows. Creative skills are also powerful. Writing and selling books, painting masterpieces, or programming games can all bring fame. Every time your work is published or sold, your name spreads across town. Do not forget your reputation. Being kind, friendly, and supportive in public helps fame rise even faster. These are some quick tips to quickly gain fame in The Sims 4. Thanks for watching.